Good morning, you lovelies. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. Yes, it's our day 3 here in Olsztyn, and we've just checked out of our Airbnb because Akshay is going to leave for Warsaw today, and Ketan and I are going to continue our stay here. So we've checked out of our Airbnb and we are going to shift to another hotel, which is again with a beautiful view. So we are first now going to Carrefour and then we will plan for our day. We have not even planned our day yet. So yeah, it's a great time in Olsztyn. Small tip to all you travelers there, in case if you are going out somewhere and the place is a bit pricey, what you can do is you can buy your own breakfast from these kind of supermarkets nearby. In my opinion, what we do is we buy a pack of milk, some fruits like banana or an apple, or maybe some mueslis that you get, and that is it. I mean, you don't really have to spend on breakfast. All you can do is just freshen up in your room itself, have this breakfast, and then leave according to your time, and then have your lunch or your brunch together. So that saves a lot of money. And until now, this has been our practice since last year when we started traveling, and we've saved quite a lot of money. Instead of using the word saving, I can say you can use that money for some other work, or maybe for traveling, or traveling as in the travel within the city or something like this. So you can do that. So we have come here to have Yakubek's, basically the dumplings, and you see that this restaurant was since 1978. If you're coming here, you definitely should try Yakubek's. Extremely hungry, but the place is quite happening. It's in the old town. You see people sitting here in front of each other. It's an eye contact competition. It's something new for me as well. So we have reached the planetarium now, guys, and we will go inside and check what are the details, like if there is the entry fees, and if we are allowed to take our cameras out there. But I will keep you guys posted upon all the details. So let's get in. This is the inside of the planetarium. Guys, I don't know why this place smells like I am in the hospital, you know, that the syringes and the saline, the glucose smell that you get when you enter the hospital. This place smells that way. I'm not sure what is this for, but I see some signs here. See?
इधर तेरा वेट दिखाएंगे हर एक पे कितना है। यहाँ पे दिखा दे अर्थ पे इसका वेट 49 kg है।
I have 49 kgs now.
यस।
देख ले चलने से बढ़ गया।
I swear. No.
मेरा बैग वेट का 49 kg दिखा रहा था कहीं तो।
On Mercury she is 18 kg.
Where do you see 18 kg? Where do you see 18 kg?
There.
Oh yes. Oh shit. And let's go to Neptune.
On Neptune, you will be 54 kgs.
54.
So you can see on Earth she is 49, but on Neptune she is
No, we are Saturn. Saturn is 45.
Saturn is 45.
Venus.
You just need to
44.
press here.
What's this? Okay, we are back on Earth. Put your ear to the various pipes and listen to the sound from the inside. Each pipe rose in a slightly different way. The frequency of the noise is linked with the geometrical shape and size of the pipe. Okay, alright. Nothing is going to go into my ear. That's it, yeah. So when I'm going close to this pipe now, I can hear some sound like if a very high cc motorbike passes through. That's the kind of sound. So I just read this, and according to this pamphlet, there's a twin copy of Sputnik 1 which is identical to the original one which was sent on 4th of October 1957. It was sent to the space as the first artificial Earth satellite. This is the book of Sir Nicholas Copernicus, and this is his statue.
A few moments later.
Guys, do visit this place. They have wonderful ice cream flavors, and the taste of the ice cream is also amazing. Do visit it. It's worth. Bye! So we've left for our hotel and let's get there first. Alright, so we've reached our hotel and this is our room, but the view behind is extremely gorgeous. So guys, we just freshened up now and it's around 7:30 in the evening now, and probably this is it for today's vlog, I think, because there's nothing much more to do for today, because me and Ketan would just probably go for dinner and that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and also hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye. See you soon.